In this video, I'll show you how to add LUTs on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is load up the project that you want to add the LUTs to. Now we have this clip here. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the far right of the screen and we're going to go to the inspect button. So it says show the info inspector. You're going to click on it. And once you click on it, you're going to go to the bottom of the page where you see the view. You're going to see basic for default view. You're going to click on it and you're going to click on general. Now, once you click on the general, as part of the options in the dialog box that has been updated, you're going to see camera LUTs. And from here, you're going to click on the options that it has. And here you're going to click on the LUT that you want to apply. And as you can see, once I applied the LUT, it has changed the view of the project in a whole. Now you can also add a custom LUT. As you can see, the option at the bottom, it says add custom camera LUT, and once you click on it, you're going to navigate to the part of your computer that has the custom LUT, and you're going to load it. Now that's how to add LUT on Final Cut Pro. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.